Hope you enjoyed that drone footage from the big snowstorm yesterday, May 21st. Surprise! We didn't even know it was coming. It started snowing, and before we knew it, we were forecasted for a foot, which we got. I am Chris. This is Mandy. This is Mile Point 3 Garage. We restore old vehicles, specifically trucks. We've got a 73 Bronco, nicknamed the Stormtrooper. We've got a 74 Bronco, which is the Bronco to be named later. And we've got a 83 Wagoneer over here, which we got from Copart from an auction for $2,800. And we're trying to get it running today and driving in a straight line. But before we do that, we're gonna go over to our neighbor's house. He just finished a Wagoneer that they built for a local brewery here. And it has like pony keg trays in the back with taps that are gonna go out the side of it. And it's really off the hook. The wrap is insane, so let's go take a look at that. What a great project this is. 86 Wagoneer. Put a full wrap on it with some tinted windows for a local brewery here. This brewery makes my favorite beer, which is called the Avalanche. You'll see it on my work table practically in every video. It's got an aftermarket bumper on it with a worn winch. That thing is just sexy. Plus you got a 360 V8 that runs extremely well. You can see the wrap in this thing is so good it looks like paint. You can't even tell where the wrap ends. Really cool top rack. That back quarter window is where the taps go. That's all plexiglass right there, so they're going to cut taps into that thing so they can serve beer out on the slopes. Then you have the full rack there. You're going to be able to put a ton of skis and snowboards on that thing, man. That thing is awesome. The 6-inch lift gives it a lot of meat. And then you have the mountains on the wrap, which kind of set it off. Then you have the pony kegs are going to go on the left here and the snowboard waxing table on the right. That was pretty awesome. Now, we're going to see if we can get ours going so that we can do the same thing to it. New carburetor rebuild. Everything else is the same. Stock plugs and everything. It smokes like a chimney, so I'm pretty sure that the valve seals are bad. But shouldn't take much to try to get this thing going. Alright, here we go. Right off the bat, that thing is going. That's not bad. Alright, here it goes. Drive. No go. Reverse. It has go. First. What is that noise? Let's see what that noise is. No bueno. No bueno. So I've got one way to get this thing going forward here. If it'll go in reverse and not forward, then I think what we'll do is we'll tow it forward and then back it up into the garage. We're moving now. We are moving now. All right, so we got Mandy got us where we needed to be, and now we just need to back her up into place.
A little bit of smoke, not bad.
Well, as you can see, she's not ready yet to drive forward. So we're going to pull the transmission, rebuild this torque flight, try it again, and see if we can get moving forward. It obviously got in reverse pretty easily, just won't go forward. So anyway, next on mile point 3, we're going to be jumping back into the Bronco. Make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of content coming up. That's a wrap from Mile Point 3 Garage.